Hello and welcome to 247 Dolphin Court. I'm Joette Fielding with the Fielding team at Remax About Town in Oakville, Ontario. This gorgeous home has been renovated from top to bottom. It's situated on a beautiful pie-shaped lot in the coveted community of Morrison in southeast Oakville. Please follow me for a tour of this gorgeous home.
Welcome to 247 Dolphin Court, a beautifully renovated 4+1 bedroom executive home on a coveted, quiet court in the well-established Morrison neighbourhood of southeast Oakville. Surrounded by towering trees, this stone and stucco home has an extra-wide cobblestone-style driveway and a granite walkway lined with neatly trimmed hedges to a large granite portico. Through an upgraded double front entry is a spacious reception foyer with a gorgeous floating oak staircase with wrought iron pickets that has been color matched to coordinate with the deluxe wide plank oak hardwood flooring found throughout the main and upper levels. The elegant open concept living and dining rooms have a sliding door walkout opening to a backyard covered terrace, while the living room showcases an oversized wall-to-wall window for beautiful views of the front garden and center court. The formal entertaining spaces are complemented by casual living areas that also have an exceptional open concept layout. The extra-large family room seamlessly blends with both the adjacent solarium and a sleek, modern kitchen that offers a generously sized workspace for the at-home chef. Top-quality stainless steel appliances include a massive side-by-side fridge freezer, a built-in dishwasher, microwave and convection oven, as well as a 5-burner gas cooktop with range hood. Two-color wood grain finish cabinetry has soft closing hardware and extended depth cabinets above the built-in fridge and wall ovens. And completing this stunning space are white quartz counters and backsplashes, as well as a center island with bar seating and a built-in wine rack. The glass-encased solarium offers exceptional views of the Muskoka-like back and side yards. This outdoor entertaining space has a cabana with a change room and 2-piece washroom, the newly created composite wood terrace, as well as a huge, sunken cobblestone-style patio area surrounding the oversized in-ground saltwater pool. This chic, modern home also features beautifully appointed utility and personal spaces, a stylish 2-piece powder room, as well as a bright laundry room with a French door entry, an exterior door to the side yard, and direct access to the double garage. The upper level features bright and graciously sized personal spaces that include 4 bedrooms and 2 beautifully appointed washrooms, both which are finished with 1-piece molded vanities with integrated basins and dark wood grain cabinetry, mirrored vanity lights with cubed glass shades, high-efficiency dual-flush toilets, and pot lighting. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms enjoy center court and treetop views, while the 2nd bedroom overlooks the backyard and its pool area. And all these bedrooms have double closets, with the closet in the 2nd bedroom additionally featuring deluxe organizers with double wardrobe hanging space. These 3 bedrooms also share the 5-piece main washroom, which showcases deluxe floor tiles, a built-in storage closet with pull-out organizers, as well as a bath and shower combination with a deep soaker tub, tiled surround with a stone inlay and a glass shelf. The spacious master retreat has an oversized window through which to enjoy treetop and center court views, and its walk-in closet is equipped with adjustable shelving and double wardrobe hanging space. The spa-like lavish ensuite washroom showcases oversized polished porcelain floor tiles, as well as an oversized porcelain tiled shower with a built-in bench seat and stone inlay with a sliding shower diverter and a frameless glass enclosure. Nestled on a huge premium-sized lot and completely renovated top to bottom, this home has many fine details, including smooth ceilings, LED pot lighting, deep baseboards, an upgraded double front entry accented with pewter-leaded textured glass inserts, new windows, and a new garage door, and also includes all pool equipment, a central vacuum system with attachments, as well as all window coverings and all electrical ceiling light fixtures. Professionally finished, The lower level features quality wood laminate flooring with a washed finish, oversized windows, smooth ceilings, and LED pot lighting throughout. Off the landing area is access to a large cold room and a double-door closet, as well as a gorgeous full washroom. This level also features an extra-large utility room with plenty of storage space, a large 5th bedroom, and a massive recreation space. Divided into 2 distinct areas, the larger of the 2 rooms features a sleek, Asian-inspired Dimplex electric fireplace, and both of these impressive spaces can be easily transformed to accommodate personal or family needs. This home is minutes to Oakville's historic downtown, while Maple Grove Public School, highly acclaimed Oakville Trafalgar High School, surrounding parks, and Lake Ontario are all within walking distance, and for commuters, both the Oakville and Clarkson GO stations, as well as easy highway access, are just short drives away.